Step into Anna's Dumpster Rental, your gateway to top-tier waste management solutions right here in College Hill, Cincinnati, Ohio. Anna's Dumpster Rental is your ticket to a seamless and efficient waste disposal experience. With an unwavering commitment to environmental stewardship and an unwavering dedication to customer delight, we proudly stand as your premier choice for an extraordinary dumpster rental service. At Anna's Dumpster Rental, we don't just talk the talk, we walk the walk. When you opt for us for your dumpster rental in College Hill, Cincinnati, Ohio, you're not just choosing reliability and professionalism, you're embracing an eco-conscious decision. Our seasoned team excels at delivering precisely customized dumpsters, ensuring a hassle-free waste removal process that aligns perfectly with the most stringent environmental standards. Count on us to handle your waste with maximum efficiency and a keen focus on sustainability, making your waste management strategy not only seamless but also environmentally responsible. For all your dumpster rental needs in College Hill, Cincinnati, Ohio, look no further than Anna's Dumpster Rental. Get in touch with us at 937-704-3069 or visit our website at www.annasdumpster-rental_Cincinnati_Ohio to explore our services and request a quote. We're here to help you design a cleaner, more eco-conscious, and impeccably organized waste management plan that consistently surpasses your expectations. Experience the Anna's Dumpster Rental difference today.